Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, we'd like to show you the updates for Aptos USDT trading pair with my customer set. Highly recommend just go and check today's video about optimism. So Aptos, same like optimism, dump like crazy, even without a bad news, even with the good news, because they made a big post, a big article on Access. So they have a plan, update the tokenomic. Guys, I always have a question. Why you need to update the tokenomic after when your token looks like a scam? Maybe because you just sell during all this periods by yourself with the venture funds the token, and now when the token crashes down, you want to fix the supply, reduce the staking rewards and all of this stuff after the dump from. Let's count the percentage, guys. Let's count. So here on the low, the token dump at 2,300% gains. Not that bad like optimism. And only now you want to try to fix something. It's kind of weird. You know, it looks like it's another marketing step to bring attention to the project. Like, oh, we are saver of own token. You dump it. Not because of the BTC dump or the old market dump. No, take a look the model of Hyperliquid. It's not dumped because it's a fair, normal devs. They worry about the project and not dump it on tokens. But you dump it because you need the money. And after that, behind the marketing, you try to make it some post like, oh, we're gonna save the project. Why you need to save the project if you killing it? So we dumped it in invalidated ideas. So February, at the beginning of February, we dumped it in invalidated ideas. So technically now these levels will become like resistance. So if you want to buy now at 86, it's up to you. You know, can we drop lower? Yes, of course, because when we invalidate initiation accumulation pump model, we traded in this idea model. We traded since October 2022 till even January 2026. So 4 years, this model was valid, relevant, and condition one and only. If the token dump on the listing price, it's invalidation of idea. What to do if the idea is invalidated? This is an open space. The price is carry mode. That's why it's only up to you where to buy. We can go even to zero, add 1 0, add another 0, so can be deleted. So guys, this is a condition. We can work only with this current conditions. And in the moment here, we can't know, because now, only now, the genius, the experts start saying, oh, yes, it was so predictable, so we could dump under $1. Where you been here? You shield the Aptos to the moon, to $100. You can type the posts in the socials. Aptos to the moon, Aptos to the moon. And only now it's predictable. Everybody know it. We dump to under $1. Nobody could even imagine, guys, so it could happen, right? And so at least we could work all these same periods with the blocks where we could buy, sell. Here was a zone of fixation swing trades. This is the price discovery mode, and now this is the price discovery mode. We can't know where the second will stop. That's why these zones now will become like resistance. So 85, it's not a mistake to fix the profit at $1.88 with raw initial deposit if we get a chance. Because we can't know. Maybe we'll drop another leg down. So what I can say, don't waste your stable coins now with DCA. It will be not a mistake, guys. If you're not buying before Aptos, maybe makes sense to try to speculate for the spring. To buy now, sell with raw initial deposit at $1.88. This one, and leave free tokens for the future. Maybe makes sense. Here they have the price respect the levels 23,686. So Fib legit, everything legit. So now this zone is going to be like a resistance. The indicators ADZ direction market mode. Technically, yes, of course, we're in the accumulation zone. And of course, it's logical. So we're in the accumulation zone now on the listing price. The token was at almost $20, and now we under $1. Of course, now it's accumulation. But this is another example, guys. we have to just trust more indicators, no rush, because all this period was distribution. Sometimes, guys, better cut all emotion, right? Trust the algorithm and track it. So now, of course, since December 2025, we're in the accumulation zone, even with the warranty. Nice, nice. So if you just new on this market, I think that yes, the Aptos can reach at least this downtrend line what I drew before. All right, so direction indicator also now it's accumulation. Daily, weekly time frame, the market mode, of course, it's a capitulation zone. We can close it. Daily, yes, it's some type of accumulation since January 2026. So sooner or later, guys, anyway, we will see the rebound. Just so obvious, you know, the market makers always just the main goal of market makers making money at the end. USDT. All right, Euro USDC. So accumulation on a daily, accumulation on a weekly, monthly also. 2 months in a row, somebody build the average entry. Time to sell will be at the top or at least at the test of the middle line. So just add alerts and track it. Take a look, guys, the last 2 indicators. I will be impressed and surprised on a weekly time frame. Same story like with the optimism. Only the February 2026, we could close all short position. Yes, guys, so once again, another example in a video about optimism today, just explain it. In a Polkadot video, I explain it. So, and it's also just for myself, for the future, I better trust next time the trade on indicator on the weekly time frame. And if I see the signal to sell on a weekly time frame, I need to wait to start buying back. I need to wait the signal take profit on the weekly, you know, because all this period, of course, you could speculate here as a buyback, bounce. It's a weekly time frame, buyback, bounce, buyback, bounce. But this is only here. Imagine only after the 2 years, only now the signal. So finally, we can close. Wow. After 686 days, we finally see the signal take profit. So we need to stop selling the Aptos. And maybe in the next few weeks, we will see the signal to buy. Unfortunately, yes, guys, sometimes it looks even unrealistic. But this is example. I'll better trust the algorithm than just randomly buy the token for the spot. Intraday, of course, trade on, it's just speculation. Intraday swing trades, Saturday. And take profit, guys, indicator. Yes, of course, we on the fundamental volume, even worse than optimism. Fundamental volume of Aptos now it's $2.86. Take profit $7.55. Soon, believe it or not, but the same way we're gonna retest the take profit and the exit line on the weekly time frame. Just a matter of time. But the lines are dynamic. So, for example, this can be the June 2026. The line can be here 580. So just add alerts also to the take profit line and track it. Now we saw underrated. 12 time frame, we also underrated locally. Yes, it's more than okay. The zones, what I can tell you now based on take profit, that test 69 cents 5, it's possible on 12 time frame. It's for the value. Daily time frame, we can drop to 80 cents, but I don't think so. It's going to be the round number 80 cents. So we can sweep with a weak candle. We can drop even lower. That's why if you feel comfortable now, you can buy now. 1, 2, 3. So technically, we already formed the 3 drives pattern with the warranty, but nobody knows, guys, where the price stop. So like you can see, even the news about the tokenomic not affect the price in positive K. So guys, I hope you like this video. Next time, just trust more trade on indicator and work in a complex and wait the take profit signal. The same way for the long. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel. Don't forget to join my tech up channel. See you next time, guys.